Well, voters in Jackson County this November will decide on 6 different potential tax increases, including one that is designed to help struggling youth. 41 Action News reporter Brian Abel breaks down the Children's Services Fund tax.
Well, the 1/8 of 1% sales tax would go to Children's Services Fund, a brand new fund that would help organizations that are helping at-risk youth like Stepping Stone.
The need far outweighs the resources available.
Lynn Durbin runs Kansas City's Stepping Stone. It's a transitional living program for youth who are aging out of KC's foster care system.
The number of kids in foster care in Jackson County has continued to grow.
A study by the Institution of Public Policy and Mark discovered that in the KC metro area, 21,000 kids and teens were turned away in 2013 from places like shelters and mental health institutions because they're full. The new tax would bring in roughly $50 million a year to help.
We see more crime, we see more substance abuse, suicide is continuing to be a tremendous problem among this age group.
So just how much are you, the voter, being asked to sacrifice? Well, for every $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 you spend in the county, 1 cent of that goes to the Children's Services Fund. It comes out to about $25 a year per voter. But Durbin says it's actually an $11 to 1 return on investment. He says the county would save in the future because kids would get treatment now before problems grow.
It becomes a very expensive, lots of services that we're paying a lot of money for that could be met on in much further upstream.
Durbin says one of the biggest hurdles for this tax is just getting the information to the voters with such a congested ballot. So he says that there will be proponents of this tax at polling locations on November 8th when you head in to vote. Reporting in Kansas City, Brian Abel, 41 Action News.
All right, Brian, thank you for breaking that down. Early studies show 45% of voters approve of that tax, with 40% saying no and 15% are undecided. That is according to a MARC study. Now, there are 8 other counties in Missouri with a Children's Services Fund. Lafayette County is the closest one to Kansas City that has that fund.